Hey Curly Tees. MicroQuat-16 is a silicone micro-emulsion. It's silicone quaternium 16 that is said to help enhance the cuticle layer of the hair. It's meant to help fight dry, frizzy hair by helping to smoothen the surface of the hair cuticle. It's a combo of bis-aminopropyl dimethicone, tridecet 12, and C1115 parent 9. If you don't want to use this ingredient, you don't have to. I'm adding it here to help with frizz and flyaways. It's said to bond to damaged areas of the hair strands while also being water soluble and non-ionic.
Silicone quaternium 16 forms ionic bonds with keratin, improving adhesion and stability on hair fibers.